Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky tech problems into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the TP-Link router blinking blue light issue, specifically for models in 2025. If you've noticed your router's blue light flashing and you're wondering what it means, you're in the right place. This could indicate anything from a simple connection attempt to a more serious problem, so let's get straight to it. First off, the blinking blue light on your TP-Link router often signals that the Wi-Fi Protected Setup, WPS, is active. This happens when you're trying to connect a new device or if there's an ongoing firmware update. But if it's persistent, it might point to issues like unstable internet, overheating, or even hardware faults. Don't panic. Most of these are easy to fix. To start troubleshooting, ensure all cables are securely connected. Unplug your router, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple restart often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your internet service provider's status. Outages are more common than you think. If the light keeps blinking, head to the TP-Link app or web interface to update your firmware. Outdated software can cause all sorts of headaches, so keeping it current is key. If that doesn't work, try disabling WPS in your router settings, as it can sometimes conflict with other networks. For 2025 models, look for the Smart Connect feature and toggle it off if needed. Still no luck? It might be time for a factory reset, but remember, this will erase your custom settings, so back up first. In conclusion, the blinking blue light is usually a sign your router is trying to communicate something, and with these steps, you should have it sorted in no time. If the problem persists, reach out to TP-Link support or consult a professional. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech tips, and see you in the next video.